Welcome to another video by Regal Eye Tech. Hey, if you like this, please click so for me. And if you haven't subscribed, can you? Please? And thanks. Hey, do remember to follow Regal Eye Tech on Instagram, where you can see live videos and see random tech stuff.
I'm going to set up Cisco Anyconnect on here. Let's see if we can. I've already started the download of Cisco Anyconnect. I'm going to configure it and see if I can access the corporate file structures. What you would do here is configure a profile. Add a new VPN connection, give it a description, we're going to put in our IP address here. Now that you have your IP address in, configure the advanced preferences accordingly. I don't see anything else here I need to configure, so I'm going to proceed and try to connect. Sometimes you get this initial warning depending on the settings. I know what to do. I'm going to unblock that and proceed based on our settings and try the connection again. Continue. All right, we're getting a login prompt. That's a good sign. Connecting. This is a connection request, just telling us that it's going to be giving us notification when we're on VPN. So according to this, we are connected to VPN. How do I know? Right here it tells you, device connected to Anyconnect. You are connected to Anyconnect. Good. That's that.
Do remember to subscribe and share, Tech Family. Most importantly for me, hit like if you like, comment for tips if you don't, or whatever you'd like to share. We can co-enlighten each other. Good, thanks.